Move the cup up the table. د میز نه پیاله لرې کا. Move the cup up the table. You will learn. ته به زده کړې. You will learn. He is getting up the bus. هغه د بس نه کوزیږي. He is getting up the bus. You have the art. تا سره فن دی. You have the art. He has been trying since Monday. هغه د دوشنبې راسی کوشش کوي. دوشنبه یعنی د پیر ورځ. He has been trying since Monday. You will learn it. ته به دا زده کړې. You will learn it. I have been playing since morning. زه د سحر راسی لوبه کوم. I have been playing since morning. I am ashamed of myself. ما ته په خپل ځان باندې شرم راځي. I am ashamed of myself. Don't make me angry. ما قاروه ما. Don't make me angry. I didn't expect it from you. زما ستانه دا امید نو. I didn't expect it from you. Where have you come from? ته د کوم ځای نه راغلی. Where have you come from? Don't worry. فکر مه کوه. Don't worry. I am in a hurry. زه په تادۍ کې یم. I am in a hurry. What did you say? تاسو څه ووی. What did you say? Let bygones be bygones. چې څه وشو هغه وشو. Let bygones be bygones. I am proud of you. ما ته پتا ویاړ دی. ویاړ یعنی پهر. یا تاسو داسې ویلی شئ زه پتا پهر کوم. I am proud of you. Don't talk nonsense. بې فایدې خبرې مه کوه. Don't talk nonsense. What's so special in it? په دې کې څه داسې خاص دي. What's so special in it? I don't have any cash. ما سره نغدي روپۍ نشته. I don't have any cash. You are coward. ته یې رندوکی یې. You are coward. Who is it for? دا د چا د پاره دی. Who is it for? He thought and materialized. هغه سوچ وکړو او رښتیا یې کړو. He thought and materialized. He has been here since yesterday. هغه د پرون راسیدل ته دی. He has been here since yesterday. Don't walk barefoot. خپې ابله خپې مزه. Don't walk barefoot. When will we meet again? بیا به کله میلاویږو. When will we meet again? I did it for you. ما دا ستا د پاره وکړو. I did it for you. Enjoyed a lot. ډیره مزه راغله. Enjoyed a lot. I will call you tomorrow. زه به درته سبا فون وکم. I will call you tomorrow. Keep it up to yourself. دا خبره د ځان پورې محدود کا. Keep it up to yourself. He has just left. هغه اوس وستلی دی. He has just left. Why do you talk such nonsense? ته داسې بکواس ولې کوې؟ Why do you talk such nonsense? A word to wise is enough. هوښیار له اشاره هم پوره ده. A word to wise is enough. Did you try? آیا تا کوشش وکړو؟ Did you try? I said many thanks to him. ما هغه ته ډیر څه ووی. I said many thanks to him. You are so innocent. ته ډیر بولی. You are so innocent. Who do you want to meet? ته د چا سره میلاوېده غواړې؟ Who do you want to meet? He is a hard-hearted person. هغه سخت-زړی انسان دی. He is a hard-hearted person. یعنی مطلب دا چې هغه سخت زړه والی انسان دی. How do you go to office? ته دفتر ته څنګه ځې؟ How do you go to office? She was a beautiful girl. هغه یو ښکلې جینۍ وه. She was a beautiful girl. I am very happy with you. زه تا نه ډېر خوشحاله یم. I am very happy with you. It's not worthwhile. دا قابل قدر نه دی. It's not worthwhile. He had come after a long. هغه ډېر وخت پس راغلی و. He had come after a long. I breathed a sigh of relief. ما د آرام ساه اغستی و. I breathed a sigh of relief. Your face remind me of someone. ستا مخ ما ته د چا یاد راولي. Your face remind me of someone. I will materialize the dream. زه به خوب رښتیا کوم. I will materialize the dream. I always stand by you. زه تل ستا ملګرتیا کوم. I always stand by you. He had stood by me. هغه زما ملګرتیا کړې وه. He had stood by me. Are you listening to me? آیا ته زما خبره اورې؟ Are you listening to me? What all can I eat? زه څه خوړی شم؟ What all can I eat? I was waiting for you. ما ستا انتظار کاو. I was waiting for you. I have decided to go. ما د تلو په ښه اراده کړې وه. I have decided to go. My friend was guilty. زما ملګری قصوروار و. My friend was guilty. Your rude behavior has hurt him. ستا بدتمیزه خوی هغه له تکلیف ورکړی دی. Your rude behavior has hurt him. I felt like slapping him. زړه مې غوښتو چې هغه له سپېړه ورکم. I felt like slapping him. Bring all these files. دا ټول فایلونه راوړه. Bring all these files. I will go to market tomorrow. سبا به زه بازار ته ځم. I will go to market tomorrow. Who is standing at the door? په دروازه کې څوک ولاړ دي؟ Who is standing at the door? How can I trust you? زه څنګه پتا باور کوي شم. How can I trust you? We have lost our way. مونږ لاره یې رکړې ده. We have lost our way. I am saying something. زه څه ویم. I am saying something. I feel like going somewhere. زړه مې غواړي چې چرته چکر ووام. I feel like going somewhere. Better time will come. ښه وخت به راشي. Better time will come. Clouds are thundering. وریځ ګړزیږي. Clouds are thundering. Whose name did you take? تا د چا نوم واغست. Whose name did you take? You shouldn't have said so. تا له داسې نه وویل پکار. You shouldn't have said so. I want to go but I can't. زه تله غواړم خو تلی نشم. I want to go but I can't. I have to wash the clothes. ما لره جامې وینځل دي. I have to wash the clothes. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.